Hello, my wonderful kids. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the first lesson, The Day at Beach, part 2 video. Okay, so if you haven't watched the part 1 video, please watch the part 1 video and come back for the part 2 video. Okay, and I'm getting lot of emails from the parents. I'm very happy and I'm keep on replying to every email. But if I missed it, please send a second email or just send me a reminder. For sure, I'll be sending you all the sample papers. Okay. And also, one thing, I will be sending the sample papers and the uh, question papers only for the parents. I'm getting a lot of messages from the teachers and also the person who's taking tuitions. I'm not going to send for those. This sample papers is only for the parents request. Okay, so let's go into the lesson now. So these all already covered in the part 1 video, so I'm just directly going into the part 2 video now. In part 1 we have covered all these sessions, so now let us do. So from this page we have to do the part 2 video. Okay, so this one, let us do. So fill in the blank. 29 is more than 20. So 29 is more than 20 because when you write 20, 21, 22, so 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. So which number comes first? So 20 is here. So when you add 20 plus 1 only, we will get 21. So likewise 29 is more than 20. Okay, that's what is written here. 29 is more than 20. Likewise, they are asking to write dash is less than 41. So which number is less than 41? So you can choose any number. You can write 40 also. So 40 is less than 41. You can write any number which is less than 41. Okay, you can write 39 or 20 or 10, 1. So those numbers are less than 41. Okay, so the next one, dash is less than 76. So you can write 70. 70 is less than 76. So you can choose the number which is less than 76. You can write up to 75. Okay. So 60, 65, 1 to 10 or 11 to 12. So whichever number is less than 76, you can write it here. Okay. So next is 49 is more than. So 49 is more than which number? So you can write 30. So 49 is more than 30. Okay. So 25 is less than 30 again. 25 is less than 30. Okay. So dash is less than 1. So which number is less than 1? Can we write a 1? 1 is less than 2? Yes. 1 is less than 2. Okay. If you write 3, that's an incorrect answer because 3 is more than 2. Okay. So 3 is a wrong answer. Okay. So the next one, 36 is more than. Again for this also you can write 30 or you can write 25. So all the numbers which is less than 20, more than 36. Okay. So now the last question, they have given both the dashes here. So we have to fill here also, here also. So dash is more than dash. So you can write 50 is more than 45. Or you can write 100 is more than 50. Okay, so both the answers are correct. Alright, so next. So flashcard game. Make a flashcard of numbers from 0 to 9. Make a desired number according to the rules given below by placing these cards appropriately at tens and ones place. Okay. So now we have to make a flashcards between 0 to 9. So like this, see this girl, she's holding a flashcard with the number 5. Okay. And what we have to do is we have to place the numbers in this name board. So we have, see, they have written with tens and ones. So a number greater than 50. So what is a number which is greater than 50? So we are having a flashcard between 0 to 9, right? So what number is greater than 50? You can write a flashcard with 60. So you have tens here and ones here. Okay, so 57 is also correct one. 57 is also greater than 50. Okay, so likewise we have to choose a number and place in this board. Okay, so the next one, a number is less than 39. A number less than 39, 30, sorry. Which number is less than 30? You can even write 29 here. So let's draw a name board. I'm drawing here. So this one is tens and this one is 1. So let me change the color to blue. So let's see the first one. A number less than 30. So we can write 29. So we have tens and ones. Okay. So the next one. A number between 47 and 59. So we have to write a number which is 47 and 59. So 47 and 59, what numbers? So 47, 48, 49, 50. So up to 59 you have to write. So you can take any number between these. So we can take number 50 also. So 50. Okay. So which is the smallest two-digit number you can make? So which is the smallest two-digit number we can make? We can make 10. So 10 is the smallest two-digit number here. So which is the largest two-digit number you can make? Why do you think that the number you made is the largest? So they are asking which is the largest two-digit number you can make. We have a flashcard up to 9 only, right? So we cannot have another 9 for 99. So we only have one 9, right? So we can write 98 because we do not have another 9 to make the largest two-digit number. Okay, so that is the reason. So next one, this is not your exam question, children. This is for your fun activity like a flashcard game. Okay, this is also the same. Choose any flashcard and make two-digit number. Now swap these flashcard to get another number and find out whether it is a bigger or smaller than the previous number. How will you get the largest number using the same digit? Okay. For example, we have 3, 5. Here 5 and 3. So what they have done, 35 is the smaller when we compare to 53, right? For example, if you have 28 here, and if you want to change to larger number, it is 82. And if you have 69, here it's 96. Okay. And if you have 27, you can change it to 72. Okay. Easy one. This one is also a game. Okay. So next one. Mark by passing the path. From the largest number, try to reach the smallest one in decreasing order by passing through each and every number at least once. Okay. So here they have given from the largest number they are passing. So from 92, 73, 65 and 53, 32 and 20. Okay. So likewise we have to complete these two also. Okay. So let's start. So we have 11, the smallest digit, but here we have to try to reach the smallest one. So we have to start from the largest digit. So here 95. So 95 to 76, 76 to 53, and we have 34. So 34 to 23. So 23, no, we have to go to, sorry, 1 minute. So 75 to 53, 53 to 36, 33 to 23, so 23 to 19, 19 to 14, and 14 to 11. So 11 is the smallest number. So next we have the largest number is 86. So 86 to 75, 75 to 63, 63 to 58, and we have 51, 43, 34, and the smallest number is 28. Okay, and always put an arrow mark here when you are going. You can just put an arrow mark here to indicate how we reach that number. Okay, this place also always try to put an arrow mark. Okay, so the next one, playing with numbers. Who I am. So I am the largest two-digit number. So we have to write which is the largest two-digit number. So the largest two-digit number is 99. Okay, because after 99 we have 100, which is 3-digit. Okay, I am the largest two-digit number where no digit is repeated. So this is the number. So if you see 99, the digits are repeated, 9 and 9. So in this question they are telling I am the largest two-digit number where no digit is repeated. So we have to take the number previous to 98. So previous number to 98 is, sorry, 99 is 98, where there is no digits are repeated. After 98 it's 99, which is the largest two-digit number, but when you see the 9 is getting repeated here. Okay, so I am the smallest two-digit number. So which is the smallest two-digit number? The smallest two-digit number is 10 here. Okay, so I am the smallest two-digit number. My digits are repeated. So here the question is repeated. So which number? So 11. You see, 1 is repeated, 1 is repeated, and this is the again the smallest two-digit number. My digits are repeated. Okay. The next one, I am the smallest two-digit number with 3 at the tens place. So 3 at the tens place. So which is, this is ones place and this is tens place. So this is ones place and this is tens place, right? So now what they are telling, I am the smallest two-digit number with 3 at the tens place. So here 3. So which number? So after 29, so we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the one-digit number, right? So after 3 we are getting 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13, here we have 3 in ones place. Correct? And after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And we are getting 30. When you see here, we have 3 in tens and 0 in ones, and which is the smallest two-digit number, because after 30, we have 31. When you compare, it is the largest number. When you compare to 30 and 31, 30 is the smallest number. So we have 30. In the tens place, we have number 3. Okay, I am the largest two-digit number with 2 at the ones place. So the largest two-digit number with 2 at the ones place. Okay, so this one. So here we have tens and ones. So I am the largest two-digit number with 2 at the ones place. So here they are asking 2, and the largest number one digit is 92. So the answer is 92. So this one is important question for your exam, kids. So when I prepare a sample paper, I will be preparing using these questions also. Okay. and I'm going to ask you a question in middle of this question paper. So each and every time when you request for a sample paper, please answer this question in the email and get the sample question paper. Okay. So now the question for this sample question paper is, which is the largest three-digit number? So which is the largest three-digit number? So when you request a sample question paper, please answer this question and request for the question paper. Okay. So let's next go to the next one. So here, Vallam Kali. So in Kerala, Onam is celebrated through a famous snake boat race is called Vallam Kali. The race has nearly come to an end. Look at the picture and observe the position of each boat. So this is the Vallam Kali race, and we have few boats given. We have red boat and a purple one, blue one, green, yellow and orange. Okay. So based on that they have asked questions. So which color boat came first in the race? So which color boat? So here if you see the red color boat. So the red boat. So red boat. Okay. The next one. Which color boat is likely to come third? So which color boat is likely to come third? So this red one is the first one. Purple is almost nearing the finishing line. So purple would be the second one. And if you see the yellow one, so the yellow one is very near to the purple one. Okay. So this answer is yellow. So yellow. Okay, the next question. At which position are blue and green boats? So which position are the blue and green boat? The blue boat here, fourth position, and the green boat is fifth position. So we have fourth and fifth. Okay, the next one. The position of pink and orange boats on the basis of the picture. So the where is the pink boat? So I think this purple only they are referring as pink boat. So it is in the second position. So pink one is the second one. Second. And the orange boat is the last one. So you can write second rather writing a number. So you can write second. And this one is the last. Okay, second one and last one. Okay, let me repeat the question. Which color boat came first in the race? So the red one came first. Which color boat is likely to come third, which is the yellow one? At which position are blue and green boats? So we have blue boat here. Fourth and fifth position. Which position of pink and orange boat on the basis of the picture? So here the pink boat is second position. The orange is the last one. So second and last one. Okay. Next. Look at the month of August in the calendar given below. So we have given with the calendar for the month of August. So this is an August month calendar. Here the day one starts with Tuesday. Okay. So based on this calendar they have asked few questions. So let's find out the answer. And this question is an important question for your exam students. Very, very important question. Okay. Let's see the question first. Onam will be celebrated on which day of the month? So Onam will be celebrated on which day of the month? So date is different, day is different. Date means you have to write the number like 4th, 5th, 6th. Day means you have to write whether it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday or Saturday or Sunday. Okay, don't get confused here. So Onam is celebrated on which day of the month? So where is the Onam festival here? 29th, which is on Tuesday. So you have to write Tuesday. Okay. So next one. When is the Independence Day celebrated? So, when is the Independence Day celebrated? So, Independence Day is celebrated on August 15th. So, you have to write August 15th. Okay. So, Raksha Bandhan is on dash Wednesday of this month. So, Raksha Bandhan, where is Raksha Bandhan? Here. 30th. So Raksha Bandhan is on dash Wednesday. So 30th Wednesday of this month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth Wednesday also you can write. Both are correct only. You can frame 30th is on 30th Wednesday, or you can write 5th Wednesday of this month. Both the answers are correct. Okay. The next one. Find out if any of your friends celebrate their birthday in the month of August and mark it on the calendar. So, this is the question, second question I'm asking. So, if you have any of your friends who's celebrating his birthday, you can mark in this calendar. For example, if your friend Sanjay is celebrating a birthday on August 7th, you can mark a circle and write his name and his birthday. Okay. The next one, jersey number 17. Okay, so see this boy, he is wearing a number jersey which is written with a number 17. Okay, so the player wearing jersey, the number 17 is playing very well. And this boy, he is telling he is Arya, my favorite player. Okay, so on the jersey, they have not named this person name, he is Arya. But on the jersey, they have not written Arya. In spite of Arya, they have written the number 17. Okay. So now we have completed this lesson, children. So if you want a sample question paper, please answer the question which I asked in this middle of this lesson. Okay. So whoever is answering the question, those will be getting the sample question paper along with the important questions also. Okay. So sample question paper along with the important questions. All right. And again, a small reminder, only parents send me an email. Please, tuition teachers or any teachers, please do not send me any emails. This is specially for those children who are unable to go to tuition